So this question is from GATE 2020 electronics branch. So it says that a single crystal intrinsic semiconductor. So we are given a intrinsic semiconductor. This is the first thing. We are given a intrinsic semiconductor. It is at a temperature of 300 Kelvin. So 300 Kelvin is obviously room temperature. And now it's given that with effective density of states for holes twice that of electrons. So effective density of states for holes is denoted by Nc. Effective density of state for holes is denoted by Nv. Nv is the effective density of states for holes. It is denoted by Nv. And effective density of states for electrons is denoted by Nc. This is the Nv is the effective density of states for holes and Nc is the effective density of states for electrons. Now it says that effective density of states for holes is twice that of electrons. So Nv is twice of Nc. This is given in the question. Now thermal voltage is given as 26 millivolt. Obviously you can also derive this formula from Vt equal to T upon 11,600. So if you put, this is the formula for thermal voltage. So if you put T equal to 300, then you will get Vt equal to 26 millivolt. Also you should remember this value. This is the value of thermal voltage at room temperature. Now we have to determine the shift in the intrinsic Fermi level from the midband energy level. So we know that this is the conduction band, this is the valence band, and for intrinsic semiconductor the Fermi level lies exactly in between, in center of the energy band gap. The Fermi level lies between the center of these two, EC and EV. So it is lies in the center of the energy gap. So it is also called as midband energy level. So this is for intrinsic semiconductor. For intrinsic semiconductor, when Nv is equal to Nc, then the Fermi level lies in exactly in the center of the energy band gap. But what we are given in the question is, intrinsic semiconductor, but we are given that Nv is equal to twice of Nc. So Nc is not equal to Nv in this case. So obviously the Fermi level will shift. Now for electrons, the number of electrons in intrinsic semiconductor is given by Nc exponential of minus of Ec minus Ef upon Kt. This is the number of electrons in the intrinsic semiconductor, and the number of holes is given by Nv e to the power minus of Ef minus Ev upon Kt. This is the number of holes. So obviously for intrinsic semiconductor the number of electrons is equal to the number of holes. So we can equate N equal to P. So if we equate N equal to P, then what we get is Nc e to the power minus of Ec minus Ef upon Kt is equal to Nv exponential of minus of Ef minus Ev upon Kt. So this is when the number of electrons are equal to the number of holes. So if you shift here, Nc upon Nv is equal to, now I am writing exponential, so exponential of minus Ef plus Ev upon Kt, and this exponential will go downward, so it will get add, so plus EC and minus EF upon KT. So we can take KT as LCM. So this is the value of NC upon NV. Now taking log of both sides. So Ln of NC upon NV is equal to EV plus EC upon KT plus minus 2EF upon KT. Now we can multiply KT on both sides. So KT and KT. So KT will come here. So minus 2EF is here. So we can, if we take EV plus EC that side, then it will become minus. So this is equal to this. Now just change the sign. So 2EF equal to EV plus AC minus KT ln NC upon NV. So you can take 2 also that side. So EF value is equal to EV upon EC by 2 plus minus KT upon 2 NC by NV. So EV upon EC by 2. This is the value of the Fermi energy level. So EV plus EC upon 2 is the center of the energy gap. This is value is the center. This value denotes the center of the energy gap. Center of the energy gap. And minus KT upon 2 NC by NV denotes the shift from the center of the energy gap. So we have to determine this. We have to determine the value of minus of KT by 2 NC upon NV. So we have to determine the shift. So shift is given by minus of KT upon 2 ln of NC upon NV. So this is how we derive the formula for the shift in the Fermi energy level. So if you put the value of K is 1.38 into 10 to the power minus 23, the value of T is 300 Kelvin and NC is twice of NV. Sorry, NV is twice of NC. So you will get, if you put these values and solve, then you get this will be equal to 1.43 into 10 to the power minus of 21. But we have to determine in electron volt. We have to determine in electron volt. This value is in volt, but we have to determine in electron volt. So to determine it in electron volt, we have to divide it by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So if you divide it by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, the answer will be 9.01 milli electron volt. So this is the correct answer. Option B is the correct option. So just put value of K equal to 1.38 into 10 to the power minus 23. Value of T is given as 300 Kelvin and NV is twice of NC. Because effective density of state for holes is twice that of electrons. So NV is twice of NC. And so you will get answer in volt. So you will have to divide it by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 to get the answer in milli electron volt. So the correct option is 9.01 milli electron volt. So this is how, so this is the shift in the Fermi energy level, and EC plus EV upon 2 denotes just the center of the energy band gap. So to determine the shift, we have to find this value. So if you have any doubt in this derivation of the shift, you can comment in the comment box. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel, and please leave the feedback. Thank you and best of luck for exam.